Hello.
Peperoncino.
Oh, we're doing an Italian chili today.
We are. Si.
We are. Hi. Charlotte's joining in, and yeah, the
Italian pepperoncino.
Peperoncino. An anum from Italy. If you would hold those, please, my love.
I would love that. Yeah.
Peperoncino is an old variety. Yes, what's it called? My accent and my pronunciation of Italian sucks, but you get that.
I don't know if it sucks. I think it's really good.
The first time this chili was described was in a recipe in 1694. A Neapolitan cook chopped peperoncino chilies, tomatoes, onions, peppermint, salt and oil together. He called this recipe Salsa alla Spagnola.
That sounded very good.
Okay, well, that's the information we have on.
Yeah.
The chilies though, I have a plan. Here's what I prepared earlier.
And this plant is really good if you don't have a lot of space, if you only have a balcony.
Yeah.
It doesn't grow that tall.
About 60 to 70 centimetres. This is just a bit small at the moment. It's still got some growing to do. But they pot up amazingly.
Yeah. And they're really cool because they start out like green and then they go almost brown.
Brown, yeah. Well,
and then they end up this
There's a
ribbed.
brown one. Ooh, sort of.
Ribbed.
Ribbed.
Yeah.
Ribbed. Ah, there's the plant.
Red one.
They're
Very
about
cool.
7 centimetres or so long, nearly 3 inches.
Yeah.
2 centimetres or so wide.
And I think it's an anum.
It is an anum, yes, I said that before. And it's written on the sheet.
Must have gone through.
Yep. So, they're apparently mild, so I'm not really expecting much
Neither.
from these. And you're probably quite happy
No.
that we're doing a mild one?
Why are you saying that?
Okay.
Hey, I know that we have sold them for many years and people are waiting for them. So they will be on the website available again soon.
Yay! Ooh.
Yay! Well, cheers.
Cheers.
Thin wall?
It's sweet.
Oh, that is yummy. Mmm.
I'm getting a bit of an apple-ish. Sweet.
They taste really good.
I'm actually getting a light apple-ish kind of a flavour coming through. Not super pronounced.
Just extremely yummy.
Wow, they're amazing. Similar to Brazilian starfish in flavour.
Yeah.
But the texture
Texture is different and they're
It's
very
more-
thin wall.
more chewier.
Yeah.
Thin wall. Wow. They do have a little bit of heat. I'm getting a little tingle in the back of the throat. Top palate. Wow. That's amazing.
Yummy.
Oh, you should have another one here.
Very
Okay.
good.
Very, very nice.
Yeah.
Heat-wise.
Mild.
But I normally don't get any heat unless it's up high. So heat-wise for a mild, what do you reckon it's like?
Very mild.
Very mild?
Yeah.
Okay,
very
so it's not
mild.
just me.
I'm just getting like slight tingle.
So it'd be awesome for kids and the flavour.
Yeah.
That would be
yeah.
great. A great one to get kids into chilies or people if you're not into heat.
I think it could be good pickled too.
Pickle? Yeah. They're a bit big for pickling. You might chop them up a bit.
Yeah. But they taste good.
Yeah.
And you could use them fresh in the salad too.
Definitely. All right.
This is the first pot test of
That you've done.
2022.
I think I did one with Jared.
You did.
No, we did the hot corn chips.
You did.
Yes.
So this is the
First pod test of 20.
And we hope you all are well. It's been some crazy 2 years. So I hope everybody is well out there. And
Yeah.
we can go back to normal.
Yeah. They are amazing.
They are really good.
Mm.
But maybe not 5 more minutes. I don't think we need that.
Might need a 5 minutes later. I'm just sitting here eating these because they're seriously beautiful.
We will pray for a lot of sun so we can get all the green pots to
Ripen.
change colour. So we can get them on the back on the website.
Well, try that. Apple.
They are.
Seriously good.
Mm.
Even though they're mild.
That one had more heat.
That one had a bit more
Yeah.
heat. I didn't get anything up at the end.
It hit straight back of the throat. So they do have it. The first one I had didn't have.
Yeah. But look,
But-
when you bring that one up. See, you ate the outside, and there's no placenta.
Oh, okay.
See?
Yeah. That's just because I'm.
So the
thinking
little ribby bit,
Yeah.
that's normally where the
Yeah,
placenta
right.
is. So you got a little bit of heat,
Yeah.
but the majority of the placenta.
But it's a
It's
very
in the
pleasant burn.
Yeah. I got
Definitely is.
I didn't get much of a burn, but
Little bit back
There
of the
you go.
throat.
see,
So-
that was good that you did that.
Yeah.
So yes, they do have a bit of oomph, but not a lot.
No.
All right. Well, thank you, baby, for doing it.
You are very welcome.
That's right. Thank everyone for watching. And we'll catch us again soon for more chili adventures. We'll start doing more videos now.
Yeah.
We've got some pods.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All right. Catch us all later.